the sound so clear. They call you by name and won't go away. But in their midst, the steady one, whose voice so still and strong. So breathe in, allow him to tell you where to go. Accept the call, tell him that you'll gladly follow. Surrender, don't let this precious moment slip away. Perfectly made, let him show you the way. There's nothing you can't do with him. So breathe in. Time and again, your thoughts do cloud, but please be sure his love abounds. So embrace yourself, the good and the bad. For one thing's very clear, he has. So breathe in, allow him to tell you where to go. Accept the call, tell him that you'll gladly follow.